Determining if someone is in love with you can be challenging, as everyone expresses their feelings in different ways. However, there are certain signs that can indicate that someone is in love with you. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to tell if someone is in love with you with advanced detail. 1. Observe their behavior towards you. People in love tend to pay a lot of attention to the person they care about. They might look at them often, initiate conversations, or make physical contact. They might also make an effort to be close to you, be there for you when you need them, and make you a priority in their lives. 2. Look for verbal cues. People in love often express their feelings verbally. They may tell you they love you or use loving language in their conversations with you. They may also express their feelings through poetry, letters, or songs. 3. Look for nonverbal cues. People in love may also express their feelings nonverbally through body language. They may mirror your actions, make prolonged eye contact, touch or hold your hand, give you a hug, or lean in close when talking to you. 4. Pay attention to their actions. People in love tend to want to make their partner happy and may go out of their way to do so. They may also make sacrifices for their partner and make an effort to do things that they know their partner likes. 5. Notice if they are possessive. People in love may become possessive of their partner, showing jealousy or trying to control their partner's actions. This is not a healthy indication of love and should be taken with caution. 6. As an advanced step, you could also pay attention to their reactions when they see or hear about something that makes them think of you. They might smile, blush, or get excited. It's important to remember that everyone expresses their love differently, and that not all of these signs may be present in every relationship. Additionally, it's important to communicate openly and honestly with your partner about your feelings and to respect their feelings as well.